Laptops are pretty expensive these days, and picking a gaming laptop at your budget segment which will run 2018 AAA titles smoothly is not that easy. So what's up guys, Kushal here, and today's video I have the Acer Nitro 5 i5 1050 edition, which is considered as a mid-range gaming laptop. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. So before starting the video, I want to tell you that the price of this laptop is 63,000. But I brought this from Flipkart for 53,000 rupees. So if you buy this from offline store, then they may cost you a little bit more. And if you want to save a little bit of money, then you wait for the price to drop on Flipkart and you buy it. That will save you a lot of bucks. And it's totally safe. And when it arrived, the packaging was real good. So no need to hesitate to buy from online store. So the Acer Nitro 5 comes in a totally black box and you get the Acer Nitro written in the front. By seeing that, you will understand that this is not an ordinary laptop. It has to be the gaming laptop. On the back side, you get some warning notice, the price tag, the VR sticker, and that's all. And there is nothing fancy with the box. So let's not bore you guys with the box overview and let's quickly unbox the Acer Nitro 5. As you can see, the laptop is well packed and there are two compartments, one for the laptop itself, and in the other compartment you get the laptop charger, which is quite heavy and of course good quality in my opinion. After that you get some paperwork like the warranty card, a user guide, and a big manual book. But if you're a gamer or you have used PC before, then I don't think you have to read this. At last we get our main unit, which is the laptop itself. And in the first look I would say that it is gorgeous. And the color combination is really amazing with the black and the red combination. And it feels like premium laptop when you first hold it in your hands. Okay, so starting with the look and the design. This laptop comes with the black and the red color combination, which looks really stunning. And also it comes with a matte finish body, which is also good. But the overall design of this laptop is diamond shaped, which I personally didn't like much. But it's not a deal breaker. Also the screen to body ratio is not bezel-less. It's got a thick bezel which makes the laptop kinda old fashioned. Talking about the left side, you get the inbuilt SD card reader, one USB 3.1 port, one HDMI port, one USB Type-C 4th generation port, and 800 port. Talking about the right side, you get the 3.5mm headphone jack, two USB 2 ports, and the charger input. Talking about the back side of the laptop, you get the Acer logo printed on top of the laptop. And the thermal exhaust is present at the back of the laptop, which also looks very impressive. The keyboard is also good quality and is illuminated with the red LEDs. And there is one thing to notice, that as it is a gaming laptop, so they highlighted the WASD keys, which looks a bit childish. And as it is a full-size keyboard, so you get all the extra key features in it. And the FN key controls the lighting and all the shortcuts. Typing or gaming with the inbuilt keyboard is really comfortable. And you can use the laptop itself as a palm rest. The mousepad is really amazing with the red and black combination. The left click and the right click is given under the mousepad, so you get the whole pad to use the mouse or the gestures. But sometimes you will feel irritating with this feature, because of the left and the right click given under the pad is really annoying. When you click the left click or the right click, sometimes it doesn't work. You have to click it precisely. And that is why I didn't really like this concept. Talking about the front side, you get the 15.6-inch 1080p Full HD IPS display. The display itself is really sharp, and the colors are vibrant. Also it's enough bright for gaming because of the IPS technology. But it's still not bezel-less, which is not a big letdown, you can still live with that. Also there is a 2MP camera, so you can Skype or click pictures with it. The speakers are present at the front of the laptop, and it is a stereo speaker with a Dolby digital output. But still, when you play music at the highest volume, you'll get some distortion. Talking about the specifications, this laptop is packed with the i5-7300 processor, GTX 1050 2GB dedicated graphic card, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, 128GB of SSD, and a 1TB hard drive. The operating system you get with this laptop is the Windows 10 Home Edition. But when it comes to performance, it does a really good job. I have been using this laptop for a week now and I felt no lag, no hang issues with the laptop. Even while multitasking, there is still no lag. And I have played some games with this laptop like PUBG and Fortnite and it was buttery smooth. But I gotta say that the Fortnite ran more smoothly than the PUBG. And you got a decent amount of FPS while gaming. If you wanna see the gaming review of this laptop, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you get 50 likes on this video, I'll make a gaming review of this laptop and show you all the benchmark scores and the gaming performances. Talking about the battery life and the charging time of this laptop is approx 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depending you're using it while charging or not. And it's got 3220 mAh battery in it. The battery backup I didn't really test it on it much, but the paperwork shows you can get or expect 7 hours of battery life with a single charge. While gaming with the ultimate performance mode, you can get 3 to 4 hours depending on the CPU usage and the GPU usage. So overall, this laptop is not bad as a mid-range gaming laptop. You can still play 2018 AAA titles with high or even ultra presets. Also, the price and the package they are providing is spectacular. I had been searching for the laptops under 50 to 55,000 and I found this as the best laptop under 53 to 54,000. Again guys, the price fluctuates, so you gotta wait if you wanna buy it at 53,000 rupees. There are more laptops with GTX 1050 Ti edition, but they cost 7,000 to 8,000 rupees extra. So if you have a budget of 60,000 rupees, then go for the Acer Nitro 1050 Ti version. And if you have a budget of 53,000 rupees, then go for this one. The choice is up to you. So that was pretty much of it guys. If you liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.